Hello everybody, today we're going to be working on how to make a paper circuit. Paper circuits are going to be learning about electricity, and we're going to create interactive circuits using LED lights, a coin cell battery, and some copper tape. So this is the copper tape that we'll be using today, and you can see it's on one of these rolls right here. We'll break it apart so everybody has enough to work on. Our coin cell battery is about the size of a quarter, and it is right over here. It looks just like this. And then we have our LED lights. Today we're just going to be using the yellow and the red ones because those are the only ones that work with this project. So the card that you started before you came into class is you colored the front of your card, your holiday card, and then on the back you wrote a greeting to mom, dad, aunt, uncle, whoever it was. So we're going to go ahead and open up the card and just try to get the crease out just like so, to lay it as flat as you can on the table, because we're going to be starting to put this copper wire everything. Now this is a kind of expensive tool, so we really want to be careful on how we use it. Otherwise it could really create problems, and it will not work properly through the circuit. So you have these black lines that go throughout the card, just like so. Those are the only ones that we're going to be putting copper tape on. You can see I already started this one right here. So I want to get the ends ready to go like that. I don't want to tear off the copper paper. I want to keep it on here just like that, because if I pull it all off, it'll all tangle up and then it's just a big old mess. So you want to get to the next part. You cannot leave any spaces in between, and you just kind of want to just put it right over here on top and then drag it across till you get to the end. Okay, we'll smooth it out later. Let's not worry about that right now. Try to get it as straight as you can. And then just tear it with your finger. You don't need a scissors. Tears it real easy, just like that. Okay, you can see that I did that. And then you continue on going through the whole thing, like so, all the way down. Okay, grab it, and then just pull it off with your finger like so. If you started it and you didn't make it, you made it halfway, you didn't make it all the way, that's okay. Just keep the copper tape just going, just as long as it's connecting throughout the whole thing, that there's no spaces in between. You can overlap, that's fine. But like I said, just make sure there's no spaces, because the circuit has to go all the way through and lead to the battery here at the end. Okay, so for time purposes, I have one that I've already finished, which looks pretty, just like this. Okay, you can see. The biggest thing is, if you want to get out the wrinkles, you just take a pen or a marker and just kind of roll it just like this. Okay, just like that. Like that. Just kind of roll it and get the creases out. But right here is, you'll see a line, and it's got like a little dot on it too. So that is where we're going to put the LEDs. So the LEDs have a short leg and a long leg, okay? You only have 4 of these each, so you have to be really careful, because that's all I have for today. So you can see, if you can see closely enough, it's got a short leg and a long leg, okay? It's already on here for the instructions, just in case you forget. But the shorter legs go to the negative, and the longer legs go to the positives. So you go ahead and you open it up like so. Just kind of be careful when you're opening it so the legs don't break. So really nice and gentle like that. They won't break unless you really twist them a little bit. So then they're open. And then you just want to go ahead and place them. I actually had that backwards. Place it like so, that it goes right over the copper tape. And that dot that's right there, that's where the actual bulb is going to go. So that kind of guides you through where you need to go. So you can see that I finished them right here. So once they're secure, don't secure them yet, because you want to make sure that it works and that you have them all facing the right way. So you're going to take your battery and you're going to put it right here on the circle, positive looking towards me, negative towards the bottom, and then you're going to go ahead and close it just like that. And you can see, it's hard to see through the phone, but they're actually lighting up, okay? Okay, and they're just kind of lighting up. You can see them right there. All right, so now I know that they lit up, so I can put the coin back on here, and you can secure the coin with a paper clip, which I have on your table, or you can tape it down. But all these LEDs, they need to be taped down just with regular old taped like so, and just go ahead and tape it all through. Making sure that you don't move the circuits around, making sure that the legs are on the copper wire. If the legs are not on the copper wire, they will not work. Okay. So once that's put down, you have your card that you already drew, and then you're going to poke holes, just a simple old pencil, just kind of poke it right through the holes. And I'll come around and help you with that too, just so you're making sure that you're lining up the holes. So once that's all lined up, you put your tree back together. This is, I took this card apart just to show it evenly. You can see like the LEDs are popping through here. And then you go ahead and you press. The battery is falling out, but you just go ahead and press. And you can see the lights are making them flicker, okay? Just like that. So it's kind of fun. So once that's all done, and you can, if you want, you can go back and color it again, but I would just leave it the way it is. So have fun, learn how to make a paper circuit, and learn how electricity works through copper tape. Okay, have a great day.